Okay, so let's make a 50-50 martini, and for that we're going to want some glassware, and we have a martini glass with some ice, crushed ice chill in here. We'll put that to the side, and it is a made in a mixing glass cocktail. So we've got a mixing glass here and a 50-50 martini. You take the initial milliliters of a regular martini, which is 90, 75 milliliters of gin to 15 of vermouth, and we split it down the middle, so the 90 milliliters now become 45 of each. So we're going to be going 45 ml of London dry gin, and then we're going to be going 45 ml of the dry vermouth. Right, so there we have the ingredients in the glass. Now we're going to be adding some ice. Now we're going to be wanting to stir. Right, we'll move that to the side. Now we're going to take our glass and we're going to discard the ice. Now we have a nice chilled glass there. And we're going to be wanting to double strain into the glass. So we want to put that over there, and we will double strain into the glass. And there we have it. Finally, we are going to be wanting to garnish, so we go for a lemon express on top, and then we rub that around the top as always. Whoop. And down there, and then finally we're just going to garnish with a little bit of a lemon peel on a cocktail stick there, and there we have it, a 50-50 martini.